Hello and welcome to Jordan Warranted Commercials. On offer for you today, we've got this great looking 2019 Iveco Daily medium wheelbase with a high roof workshop van. It's covered just over 71,000 miles with a full service history and it's one owner. As you can see, it's spec'd up for the utilities. You got your side marker stripes, your rear chevrons. You got your sturdy rear step there with the rear integrated parking sensors. Get my words out. Got security locks on the side and the back. Your four corner beacons. And it's got a tow bar. You can just see underneath there. This can tow 3.5 ton. These are the ones. These will pull your house down, these will. Slung underneath this, there is a PTO generator with a compressor. It's all been tested and works. You've got a crane there capable of lifting 500 kg. That's been tested, that also works. Got a bit of racking, a few drawers there. Got a safe up there for your laptop. We do have the keys, LED lighting. Inside the driver's cab, got two grey cloth seats, both in decent order. Got electric windows. We start her up, as you can see, it's done 71,127 miles. No warning lights on the dash. Got 6-speed manual gearbox. Your radio with your Bluetooth. That all-important air conditioning button. A great, strong, sturdy Iveco which is on site and is ready to be driven away today. Any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch and give us a call. Thank you.